Ready to get creative this Halloween? Learn how to draw a super cute pumpkin cupcake step by step in this fun and easy tutorial. So we're going to start off drawing the cylinder for the cupcake. So I'm going to draw these 2 dots and a foreshortened circle. We will be using construction lines today, so the top part of this will be erased. All right, let's draw these 2 lines for the side of the cupcake. Oh no! And then we're going to curve a line down. We want that to match the same curve at the top here. And this is the construction line I was talking about. I'm going to erase off. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add on the top part. It could be the cake part, could be the frosting. I'm going to curve these lines down. And in between these lines that curve down, that's where we're going to draw the lines for the cupcake liner. So right there, right in between them. And these are going to add a little bit of depth and dimension today when we color them in. So I'm going to start off with an oval shape. So we're going to be drawing the pumpkin in sections today. I'm going to go ahead and curve a line out to the left, keeping that same oval shape idea. On this side, I'm going to curve one out to the right. And by doing this, we're creating overlapping, so the front section looks like it's closer to us. And this is going to help add some depth and dimension to your drawing today. So I'm curving a line out to the right. And then on this side, I'm going to go ahead and curve a line out to the left. All right, we're going to go ahead and add the stem, making it look a little bit organic. And we're ready for the expression. So we're doing this kawaii style. And leave a little white highlight inside of the eye. And we're going to add a little smiley face. All right, we're going to go ahead and top this pumpkin with whipped cream. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw kind of a cone shape. That's going to establish the size and the placement of where I want the whipped cream. And now at the top, we're going to kind of make a shark fin. So we're going to curve a line out to the left, curving a line out to the left again. Now we're going to start creating the layers. So I'm curving a line out to the right. You have a little bit of a cross contour line there. Curving a line out to the right again. So a cross contour line curves around the form. Curving out to the left. And then once again out to the left, to the left. So now is a good time to go ahead and stand back from your work and make any adjustments as needed. I'm just going to go in with a Sharpie marker today for my outlining. And when it comes to coloring, if you don't have Posca paint markers, that's okay. You can use whatever you have. I'm using gray, and I'm using my white marker to create a medium and a light value of gray. Went in with yellow. I had some ivory to lighten it up, and ochre for the shadows. I've got brown and dark brown. So you notice we're using value today. So I have bright yellow, which is orange. And then dark orange for the shadows on the pumpkin. Adding some little rosy cheeks. and just finishing up the outlining. Well, I want to thank you for joining me today. Well, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.